Okay, welcome back, guys. I guess this is my second video on factorization. In this part of the video, I may be able to do like the entire exercise 5A. So we'll see 7 to 8 sums of various types. So just don't keep paying attention over here. Keep writing, guys. Okay. So let's say suppose this is sum number 1 to 4. I have just chosen 1 and 3. We'll do it, and the remaining two you can manage by your own. Okay. So let's see what is this question. First one: 2 into the bracket 2x minus 5y into 3x plus 4y minus 6 into the bracket 2x minus 5y into x minus y. Now guys, understand it. There is something called as plus and a minus. With this plus and minus, terms get separated. With the plus and minus, terms get separated. I guess you must have learned in standard 6th or 7th algebra, first chapter, isn't it? And then there is multiplication and division. With this chapter, terms get formed, like constructed. See, look at this. So how many terms are there in this first question? So there is one term over here, and then there is second term over here. So there are only two terms, one term and there are two terms. Because of this minus sign, there are only two terms are formed. Okay, now in these two terms, what is common? Look at this. अगर number सोचते 2 and 6, so 2 is common. Now 2x minus 5y and 2x minus 5y. Can I take it out? 2x minus 5y common? 2x minus 5y common. So what is left inside the bracket? Now understand. What do you mean by left inside the bracket? Now 2 is already gone out. 2x minus 5y is also already gone out. So what is left over? 3x plus 4y. One second. 4y. You understood what do you mean by factorization? बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट हैं स्टूडेंट्स आई एम टेलिंग यू नो उनको फैक्टराइजेशन ये वर्ड का मीनिंग ही नहीं पता है और एल्स जस्ट पीपल टेक इट आउट कॉमन टेक इट आउट डू टेक इट आउट दिस डिवाइड इट बट स्टूडेंट को समझ में ही नहीं आता यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड इन माय वीडियो माइनस now this term has finished isn't it now I start thinking about this term now look at this there is minus sign so I put that minus. Now we'll have to again think 6 out of which 2 has already gone out. So 2 into what gives 6? 2 into what gives 6? 3. 2x minus 5y into what will give 2x minus 5y? Nothing. So it has already gone out. So 6 is done and 2x minus 5y is done. Now what is left over? X minus y. X minus y. I hope you understood. Now, do you think so this sum is got over here? No. We'll have to do one more step. 2 times 2x minus 5y. Right? Very neat and clean. You will always love or enjoy doing maths. Into the bracket. Now open this bracket very carefully. 3x plus 4y. Keep writing guys. Minus 3 over x minus 3x minus 3 over negative y positive 3y. Isn't it? Now this bracket can be simplified plus 3x minus 3x will get cancelled and 4y and 3y will become 7y. So 2 into 7y will become 14y into the bracket 2x minus 5y. So this is what called as factorization, guys. I hope you understood. Isn't it very simple? Or at most what you can do, you can write over here like this also. Instead of writing 14, you can write, okay, some people will say, sir, is it factorization? So you can write this like this also. 2 into 7y. 2 into 7 into y into 2x minus 5y. So what do you mean by factorization exactly? Factorization means writing given expression in the product form 2 into 7 into y into 2x minus 5y. So writing expression into the product form. I hope you understood. Writing the given expression in the product form. Product means multiplication format. You understood, guys? I hope you have understood this sum number 1. If you have any doubts or difficulties, you can surely put it in the comment box. And if you have copied and finished everything, then we can start with sum number 3. Now look at this. We'll have to again focus over here very carefully. Look at this. This is a square plus b square minus c square. and AB into this bracket. Okay, now how to factorize this? It's very simple, guys. It's super duper easy if you understand how to do it. Look at this. यहाँ पर क्या है? AB. I'll rearrange the term. A square plus B square plus, okay, minus C square. I hope you finished copying this so I can just shift this term on this side. Minus C square. Now instead of writing minus, I'm taking this plus. Okay, now how this plus has become, look at this, I'll explain to you. BC I copied as it is, and since I have taken that minus common outside, so minus into minus, यहाँ पर जो minus था, I have taken outside the bracket, so that's the reason it became plus. So if I'll take that minus inside, it will become A square plus B square minus C square. I hope you understood this. It's pretty simple. Plus AC into the bracket A square plus B square minus C square. थोड़ा सा ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल है ना यहाँ पर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है गाइस. नाउ लुक एट दिस. A square plus B square minus C square, A square plus B square minus C square, A square plus B square minus C square. दिख रहे हैं? इसको बोलते हैं ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल्स गाइस, ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल्स. So take it out common. A square plus B square minus C square. Now once you take that common outside, what will be there inside the bracket? देखो यहाँ से AB बाकी बचे रहेगा, यहाँ से BC बाकी बचेगा, प्लस यहाँ से AC बाकी बचेगा. Isn't it so simple? And super duper sum is got over. Easy peasy, isn't it? Simple. I hope you understood this both the sums very well, isn't it? If not understood, you can pause the video and copy paste both the sums quickly in your book, guys. Okay, this was first four sums I guess you completed in your book. Now it's time to move ahead with the next question. So first of all, pause and finish it off. Okay guys, so it's time to move further. I hope you are understanding this topic. This is super duper simple sum. Let's try and do these another three questions from the same exercise 5a. So how to do this? See guys, look at this. यहाँ पर क्या है 16a plus b the whole square. So I've just copy pasted 16a plus b the whole square. Now minus यहाँ पर I can take it out minus 4 common. So inside the bracket, look at this. We very fluently write a negative b, but it will become positive b. How it became positive b? Because negative 4 has come out. I hope you understood me. Observation skills is really, really important for this particular topic. Now look at this, the space what I'm spending in between the two steps. There is a reason. अच्छा दिखना चाहिए. Are you getting it? Good presentation gives good marks. So देखो यहाँ पर नंबर को ऑब्जर्व करो पहले. 16 है, 4 है. So we can take it out 4 common. A plus b the whole square है. A plus b power 1 है. So I can take it out A plus b. I hope you understood till here. And now inside the bracket, what will be left over? 16. 4 words are 16. 4 sir. A plus b words are square. A plus b. I hope you understood. Minus 4. 4 words are negative 4. Minus 1 sir. A plus b words are A plus b. Nothing. Sir. So one side itself, isn't it? Now again, look at the amount of space I'm leaving in between the two steps. So this is really required, guys. 4a plus b in one bracket. Now this will become 4a plus 4b minus 1. And that's all. The sum is done. Super duper simple, isn't it? It's यहाँ पर क्या क्या इसे भी इसको open कर दिया बस बाकी कुछ नहीं है. Let's move ahead to the next question. I hope you understood, you enjoyed, and you finished writing in your book as well, isn't it? If not, pause the video, copy paste this quickly in your book, and then move ahead to the next question. Now, what is this sum? AB x square plus 1 plus x a square plus b square. अभी भी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं बेसिक वाले टाइप के क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं isn't it? So अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा क्या करना पड़ेगा सोचो 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 कमन थिंक ओके वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई दिस देखो अभी यहाँ पर कुछ भी छोटा मोटा like if you do plus and minus and plus, it will not going to make any difference. So यहाँ पर what we can do, we can just do multiplication. Say a b x square plus ab plus x a square plus xb square. Are you getting it? I'm just multiplying this, open the bracket, distribution, isn't it? These into this, like that way. Please take care of the signs, guys, okay? And now we will just club these term with this and these term with this. That is called as students grouping. Getting it? Grouping means, okay. So rearrange the term abx square plus a square x. I just finished writing like this way, these first term and the third term, plus ab plus b square x. Is it compulsory we have to take first and third only? No, you can take first and the fourth one also. First, the second one and the third one also. Still the answer comes the same, guys. Nothing to worry. Now, what can be done? What can be done? What can be done? Okay. Now, what can be done? In these first two terms, we can take it out ax common. A, because the lowest power is a, and x square and x, we can take it out x common, isn't it? So what is left over, students? Look at this. A, words are a, ones are b is left over. X into words are x square, x, isn't it? Now, if you multiply ax with bx, you should get this term. Yes, you're getting it. Now, a square x. So a into words are a square, a's are, isn't it? A into a square. X into ones are. Now, what can be taken out common over here? Okay, I guess we need to rearrange the term, but yeah, we can manage that. B can be taken as common, positive B. Now, what will be left over from these terms? B into b square x, bx. B into b will become b square, and x will become bx. Isn't it? B into bx will become b square x. And now I'm taking that AB may say B is gone, so A left over. I hope you are understanding, isn't it? And now the last step is AX plus b in one bracket and bx plus a in the second bracket. I hope you got that. Okay, some people will write bx plus a in the first bracket and ax plus b in the second bracket. Doesn't make any difference because 2 into 3 and 3 into 2 is one and the same thing. So simple, isn't it? Super duper easy kind of things, guys. They are very simple sums, guys. Very, very simple sum. थोड़ा सा alertness रहेगा, थोड़ा सा you know patience रहेगा, तो you can do these sums very easily. I hope you understood this sum perfectly how to do. So pause the video, copy paste it. And if you've understood, if you're finished, let's move ahead with question number 11. So what is this question number 11, guys? Ax plus by the whole square. And oh, there is no ax and there is no by. Now how is to be done? How is to be done? How is to be done? Yes, I can do expansions. Like this will be expanded as a square x square plus b square y square plus 2axby. Okay, now some people will consider, so from where this 2axby come? So this is x plus y the whole square. So x square plus y square plus 2 times product of the first term into the second term. That is it, isn't it? Now, what is the second bracket opening? Plus b square x square plus a square y square minus 2axby, and now this is like the complete expansions of these terms, isn't it? Now what is to be done? What is to be done? Okay, simple. So first we can do, like, we can cancel these two terms, positive axby, negative axby. Now what is to be done? What is to be done? What is to be done? Yes, simple. Now we can club this first with the third term or the fourth term. Okay, previously I had done first and third one, so now I'll do first and the fourth one. Okay, let's have little mind. Okay, so a square x square plus a square y square. कभी भी डरना नहीं है, guys. While doing maths, you should be very confident. B square y square plus b square x square, isn't it? Now what is to be done? Okay, from these first two terms, a square can be taken out common. So left over inside the bracket x square plus y square. I hope you are understanding, isn't it? It's really fun, guys. It's really interesting. A square, take it out common, so x square, and here say y square plus y square. Now, what can be taken out common from over here? These two terms. From these two terms, again, b square can be taken out common, and this will become x square plus y square or y square plus x square. Doesn't make any difference. I'm writing just this x square plus y square because these bracket and this bracket looks alike, and then they can be taken out common. So I'll take it out x square plus y square common outside in one bracket, and in second bracket we left with a square plus b square. I hope you understood this, and that's it. Sum is done. So students, what we can do now, x square plus y square can be taken out one common outside, and what is left over? A square in one bracket and plus b square in the second bracket. That's all, guys. I hope you understood till here. If you're finished, you can just copy paste all these three sums in your book, and if you have not finished, then we cannot move ahead. So just copy paste one to these three sums, and then we'll move ahead with these remaining sums. Okay. Let's do just two more type of sums. One is this y square minus a plus b y. So देखो ये एक टिपिकल टाइप का 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है, या फिर ये 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन. ओके, ये 16 17 18, they these 16 17 and 18, they are all same type. So let's do these two sums and we'll wind up this video. Okay guys, so what is the special thing about this type of questions? Look at this, it will become y square minus, देखो since it is minus y, it will become minus ya. Many people don't get this. Minus yb plus ab. Now if you take care of this minus sign very nicely, you will understand this sum perfectly and you will get it also very easily. But if you will not take care, then you will just इधर उधर घूमते रहेंगे, लेकिन सम कभी कंप्लीट नहीं होगा और आपको आएगा भी नहीं. So y minus a minus, यहाँ पर कॉमन क्या है, नेगेटिव b. So this will become positive y because already negative b has gone out, and since negative b is outside, it will become negative a. So this will become y minus a into y minus b, because y minus a was here, y minus a was here, that has gone out. So what is left over from this bracket? Y. From this bracket, minus b. I hope you understood this factorization perfectly, guys. Isn't it? Super duper simple topic, very easy topic. But सिर्फ आपको ये आना चाहिए, समझ में आना चाहिए. Look at this. Now type of these type of questions 16, 17 and 18. देखिए perfect squares है, isn't it? A square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. ये perfect square है, या फिर x square plus y square plus 2xy. Perfect square है. Now I'm just doing this 18th one so that you'll understand. 18th one, look at this. अब इनको rearrange करना पड़ेगा. A square minus 4ab plus 4b square. ये एक perfect square है, isn't it? And minus 3a plus 6b. जैसे मैंने पहले आपको बोला था, this factorization is about your view, I mean your eyesight. You should be able to recognize how to group them. Then only this becomes perfect. A minus 2b the whole square. If we'll do this a minus 2b the whole square, we're going to get a square minus 4ab and plus 4b square. यहाँ से what you can do, take it out common, negative 3. So it will become positive a, negative 2b. Why? Because negative 3 into a will become negative 3a, negative 3 into negative 2b will become positive 6b. I hope you understood this. It's super duper easy. And the last step, a minus 2b, a minus 2b can be taken out common. If we'll take out a minus 2b common outside, what will be left over from this term? A minus 2b, and from this term minus 3, and that's all. I hope you finish both these sums, and over here I am announcing that exercise 5a is done successfully. So see you in the next video with again new exercise 5b, and we will see how to do that splitting type of sums or grouping type of sums, isn't it? I hope you got this exercise perfectly and you enjoyed learning along with me. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.